Oh, that's bad. Turn that off. I can't hold it still. Okay, play Scrubs, dude.
Alright, Scrubs.
Oh, come on, do it again. I'll just edit this out.
Now that the camera's on me, I feel like
It's not on. I'm just looking at my emails.
Yeah.
I'm looking at my emails right now, not you.
Just keep saying that, it'll be fine.
Okay.
Look at our plant. His name's Kirk.
I hate you. I'm jealous. I hate being old.
It smells so bad.
Scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me.
That's all I got.
Oh, that was hot.